Health officials say the Amarillo area is seeing another spike in COVID-19 cases, with between about 50 and 100 new cases in our area daily for more than 2 weeks. They're concerned. KAMR Local 4's Kaylee Green reports how it's straining Amarillo's hospitals.
My perspective, it is nowhere near normal.
Infectious disease specialist and public health authority Dr. Scott Milton says he's concerned about the steady increase of new coronavirus cases and the effect on our hospitals and their resources.
We have clearly documented general-wide community spread. We have a persistent burden on our hospitals. On average, probably about a 10% mortality rate once people get admitted with COVID in our hospitals. About 10% of them don't make it.
Right now, we're at just under 12% COVID-19 hospitalization rate, even more concerning to Dr. Milton as we edge closer to the 15% limit set by Governor Greg Abbott.
And today, we actually are up to 56 patients in the hospital confirmed. That number exceeds our previous peak back in early May of 54 confirmed cases in-house.
Both hospitals have been running essentially almost at close to maximum capacity for the last couple weeks. And I think the biggest concern are the critical care units. That's a precious resource, both in terms of specialized nurse staffing and those rooms and ventilators. As these numbers increase, the concern is we're going to start butting up against our true maximum capacity.
Dr. Milton says we have to do our best to stop the spread until we get an effective vaccine.
What's really tragic is to hear these stories about how people get complacent and give it to someone they love and they die, or they get hospitalized. And I do think that this is eventually going to be over. It'll be behind us. But let's just try to make it easier on ourselves.
Dr. Milton says that complacency and fatigue from the more than 6-month-long pandemic are probably contributing to our spike in cases. He says we have to continue doing what we know works: social distancing, wearing a mask, and practicing good hygiene. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KAMR Local 4 News. Jackie.
Kaylee, thank you. Dr. Weiss and Dr. Lamentier say their hospitals are focusing on surge plans if we continue to trend upward in cases. To see those in-depth interviews with Dr. Weiss, Dr. Lamentier, and Dr. Milton, go to myhighplains.com.